Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit draft class in Madden 26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just choose franchise option, then select create new league at the bottom. I'm gonna choose offline solo here. Let's select roster file. Once you do that, they're gonna import the roster, so wait for it to complete. Once that's done, you need to choose the team. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose Jaguars. Choose the coach type. Then here you can edit the coach, but for instance I'm just gonna save and exit this. Now start playing preseason. Once you do that, we need to go to the last option, advanced week, then choose sim to regular season, sim ahead. Once you do that, you need to choose the first option, choose draft class, and choose this one, keep auto generated rookies. Right here choose prospects, and here you can start editing players. So for the sake of this video I want to edit this player, so for that I need to hit left stick down, choose edit draft class. Again I can select the same player and will able to edit things like ratings, apparel or appearance of the player. But for instance I'm just gonna change the last name to something like Makil123 and just save that. Get back from this, save changes, hit the back button again and choose export local file. Save the file and just name that anything. I'll just type RRR3 and just save that. Okay, get back from this, hit the back button again and just quit this. Again choose the create new league option at the bottom. I'm gonna choose offline solo, choose roster file, and again we need to choose the team, choose the coach type and select save and exit. You can again edit the coach if you want and hit start playing preseason. Right here just go to the last option again, advanced week, sim to regular season, sim ahead. Choose the first option, choose draft class at the top, and this time we're gonna choose import local file. And yeah, right here this is the file which we have created, and that's exactly how you can edit draft class in Madden 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.